I might need a bigger bag. So many goodies. Hi everyone, welcome back to the WeddingWire channel. It's party time. It is time for the last hurrah before you say I do. It's time for your bachelorette party. But people, it's the 21st century. So it's not just called a bachelorette party or a bachelor party, because now everyone could be included in these festivities. So let's refer to it as a batch party. I'll be showing you how to create a survival tote bag to give to your party guests to get the party started and to keep it going. Since I've only been to one batch party in my life, I could use some help. Enter Sidney.
Hi everyone.
Sidney works closely with the WeddingWire shop, so she will know exactly what we'll need for our survival tote bags, as well as help me answer all those questions.
Thanks for having me, I'm excited.
Are you up for the challenge?
I am.
Sidney, have you been to multiple batch parties?
I've actually only been to one, but I'm helping plan multiple this year, so I feel super ready for this.
So we're not completely doomed?
No.
You're gonna help me?
Yes, I'm here for you.
Okay, because I can use all the help stuffing, answering questions. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Whether it is a tote bag or fanny pack like this one right here, look at it as like a grown-up goodie bag, because who doesn't love goodie bag? You do not have to create a swag bag for your batch party guests, but it's a great way to show them your appreciation for all the planning and money they've spent.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a good way to kick off the batch.
Yeah, and since most of these items will be used throughout the trip, it's best to give your bag at the start of the trip.
Yeah, definitely, so people can take full advantage, and you have to get that Instagram picture.
Absolutely, it's all about the gram. You can find a tote bag that fits your party's theme. How about this tropical tote bag? Or even these tote bags with the pretty gold metallic accents.
Yes.
And this one has my name, so I think it's made for me. So I'm gonna have this while we stuff.
Okay, hold on to it.
And then I'm probably going to take it home after.
Well, fun fact about the totes on the WeddingWire shop is you can customize all of them, like this one here.
Cool, so you can put anything?
You can put anything. You can put names, monogram, fun little floral background, all of that on the shop.
I also love the idea of giving a tote bag because the tote bag is totally reusable. So after the batch party, you can use it as a gym bag or even a grocery shopping bag.
Yes, I use totes for grocery bags all the time. It's perfect.
As much as I love this bag as is,
Yes.
can we stuff it with some
Let's
more
do it.
goodies? Because all the goodies, I want everything. I want to be prepared for my non-existing batch party that I'm going on.
Hey, prepare early.
I mean, I can plan my own party.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Okay.
Let's plan my batch party right here, right now.
Let's do it.
All right, so let's go shopping. What do we have here?
So here we have a really fun bomber jacket that has bridesmaids on the back.
Obviously, so like now people know your important role you have on your wedding day.
Yeah, so just stuff it on in.
Yeah, put it in. Okay, what is this? I'm loving the tropical vibes
Yeah,
over
so
here.
very tropical, our kimono robes, which are amazing. I think we should just like put these on.
Yeah, let's wear it. I'm gonna
Okay.
take this one.
You got that
I
one?
like the pink.
Okay, perfect. These are perfect for the batch party as well as day of getting ready.
Look at
I
this
love
pattern
it.
mixing, tie-dye and tropical.
Can you picture the pictures now?
I think we're ready for like the Vogue runway show. Yeah, but Instagram, this would be
Oh,
so
yeah.
cute.
Instagram.
Imagine your whole bridal party and then you can just like
Take a
pose.
cute pic.
Work it, work it, work it. I can just see it now. I'm ready.
So good.
Yeah,
So
so
good.
good. All right, so we got some wearable things. Oh,
Love the hat.
love the hat. Should I put it on?
Yeah, put it
Should I
on.
I don't want to mess up my hair,
it
but like
looks
I think
great.
it's worth it.
Yeah. It's
What does it
perfect.
say on it?
Let's Get Smashed, one of the themes.
So is this a popular theme?
Yeah, it definitely is. I mean, it's the Let's Get Smashed and the Fiesta theme, so you can mix and match with some of the other themes, but also get glassware. You can get any of the totes branded for this, fanny packs, and the works.
So at the WeddingWire shop, you can mix and match.
You can definitely mix and match and pick whichever products you want.
Because for the indecisive people like me, maybe I want to do multiple themes.
Definitely. I mean, I love the Let's Get Smashed hat, but maybe I want to do some disco flair.
Do you have anything disco flair you
We
can show us?
do. We have this awesome disco tumbler.
I'm so ready for a party right now.
Yeah, it's
I look
good.
great.
Perfect.
So I can see myself sitting by the pool, sipping on a nice drink, using my disco ball tumbler.
Exactly.
And, you know, I'm gonna put this in my bag. All right, I'm gonna put my hat too.
Definitely.
But then if you don't want a tote bag, you have fanny packs.
Yeah.
And are these customizable too?
Yep, so you can personalize those with whatever you want. Squad is definitely one of the most popular.
Squad goals. So we have our tote bag. Let's talk more stuffing. So we're gonna need more space. Tattoos.
Yes, the flash tat is very popular still, and it's a perfect way to add flair to the batch party.
Sunglasses. These are cool sunglasses.
Yes.
So what theme does this go with?
I could see a fun beach or pool theme.
Yeah. These maid of honor socks.
Yes, those are really cute. And the maid of honor part actually goes at the bottom of the foot, so you can have a really cute photo where everyone's sitting and facing the camera. The no regrets. I mean, I think we all know when a good time to wear those are. Next day, day 2.
Getting bagels
Bagel.
at the
bagel
bodega
run.
and you don't want to be seen. So hashtag
No
regrets. All right. I need these just for like my personal life. So
Yeah,
I'll
let's
put
do
those.
it.
These are cool. What are these?
Yeah, so those are personalized playing cards.
Oh. Do you like to play poker?
No, I'm terrible at poker.
I feel like you're more of like a go fish kind of person.
Love Go Fish.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Now that we have our favors,
Yep.
it's a good idea to create some sort of like survival kit for your guests, because no matter what your batch party entails, whether it's going out to bars, clubbing, yoga, a slumber party, you want to make sure everybody is feeling their best self.
Yeah, everyone feels comfortable. They have everything they need.
Yeah, so here are some items that I think are essentials.
Yeah.
So first, deodorant, because you don't want to smell.
No.
No one wants to smell.
And I feel like a lot of times that's the one thing people forget.
Yes, especially when traveling.
Yeah.
Makeup remover wipes, because after a long day of partying or sitting by the pool, who really feels like doing their normal long skincare routine?
Right. It's easy. One step. There you go.
Band-Aids, because if you are breaking out those beautiful high heels, you're gonna get blisters.
Yes.
And no one has time for blisters.
Exactly. And I feel like I have a few clumsy friends, so Band-Aids are always necessary.
Band-Aids are always a must. Cough drops / vitamin C. We don't want people getting sick. Floss, Tylenol, Pepto-Bismol for the tummy, tissues because they have multiple purposes, nail polish remover,
But you have to have at least one face mask.
face mask. You gotta have like stain removal, hand sanitizer,
Yep.
chapstick, anything else.
I think we're
I
good.
think we're good too. This is a pretty good survival
Pretty
kit.
solid list.
I can survive on this
Yeah.
for a couple days.
I think so.
Yeah, cool. We did a lot today. We stuffed our tote bag with WeddingWire shop favors, some essentials for your batch party. I'm feeling good.
Yeah, I think we're completely ready for our next batch party.
And we look great.
We look great, perfect for the picture.
And I have all my stuff.
You're good.
I'm so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out the WeddingWire shop for all your batch essentials and the WeddingWire forums for all your answers to all those questions. Thank you so much, Sidney, for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, and we'll see you next time.